Guys, dumayo kami ng San Simon, Pampanga at hindi ko akalain na sobrang mabubusog kami ng cafe na to. At malamang, pagkatapos mong mapanood to, dadayuhin mo rin. Bago ka ba rin? Welcome to Where in Pampanga.
Yes, for today's vlog, nandito tayo sa San Simon, Pampanga to check out itong bagong-bagong cafe, which is yung Cakes and Cream.
Guys, if you wanna know more about this, samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go.
Table is almost ready and full. Grabe, solid ang Cakes and Creams. Thank you so much for being such a generous host for this video. Tignan niyo po yung table namin. Ang dami nito, guys. So, good thing kasama namin Marlene Di Makibo. Ayan, guys. So, isa sa mga top follower po natin ever since sa Where in Pampanga. So, ayun, guys. Samahan niyo kami. Alright, guys. What do we have on our table? Ayan. Malinaw na malinaw. Napakarami.
Wow. Napakadami.
Ayan guys, let's mention them one by one. So meron tayo dito mga silog meals. This is a crispy pata. So meron din tayong mga maki rolls. This is crispy kare-kare guys. Yaman na. Hawaiian pizza. This is a pepperoni. Rice meals. Sa mga rice meals nila. This is tonkatsu. Yun naman ay tempura. Shrimp tempura. This one is a sizzling steak. Earlier, dumating to guys, meron tayong sizzling kanina. This one is marinara. Yan guys. This one is a salad. On top naman niya, meron siyang tonkatsu. And then this is carbonara. This one's another version of the salad. Meron naman siyang tempura. Ayan guys. More pasta. And this one, finger food. Meron naman tayo dito. Fish and fries. Fish and fries. And then guys, look at the coffees. Ang dami nating iinumin ngayon. So, bro.
Siyempre, hindi mawawala dyan sa cafe yung cake natin. So they are available per slice. And at the same time, available din sila. Kung gusto nyo yung event, yung whole cake, available din sila dito. Kagandahan dito, another puntahan sa mga taga San Simon. Ito,
correct. Cakes and
Cakes
Creams.
and Creams.
So let's get started. And kanina pa kami nagutom guys. So tara, samahan niyo pa rin kami. Let me show you a room na available dito sa Cakes and Creams. Dito daw, minsan ginagawa yung mga private meetings. So, paglabas nyo dito sa room na to, ayan guys, eto siya. There you go. So, this room, siguro it can accommodate up until 8 people. Ayan siya. And kung kailangan nyo ng privacy kapag nag-rent kayo dito, dito lang kayo. Another night, another sobrang food trip na sobrang busog na.
Yes, another place for you to go dito sa may San Simon. So, Cakes and Cream Cafes located dito sa may Santa Monica, San Simon, Pampanga.
Yeah.
And they're open from 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. Monday to Sunday.
So, pinaka-landmark dito guys, ito yung SKK Steel Corporation.
Yes.
Kaharap lang naman yun guys, ito na yun. So guys, if you're looking for, coffee shop, they serve coffee base, non-coffee base, even mga milk teas, meron sila dito. At kagandahan dito guys, napakalawak ng mga options nila dito. So from Italian, Japanese, Filipino,
even mga bento meals ay available dito.
Correct. So ayun guys, if you're looking for those kinds of food dito po sa San Simon, go check out. This is Cakes Creams Café. And thank you so much. Napaka-genuine.
Yes. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Share with your friends.
Thank you so much for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery.
Peace out.
Bye guys.